going. I thought he was doing a Yui.
Tim Keith runs a time of 19.484. We'll go Brad Estabrooks next with Bob Estabrooks and Jamie Steele on deck.
Oh, he's having a good run. He just seems to die. Still having a better run than he had the last time.
Brad Estabrooks on the Arctic Cat. The Tower 41 crew runs a 13.384. Bob Estabrooks, Tower 41 crew on the Popo. You're next, Bob.
He had a good one the first time, too.
Woohoo! The Polaris contingent. Bobby's in the lead. 10.484. Jamie Steele on the 450 Honda.
That?
Yeah.
Jamie runs a 15.585.
I think it's because the bathrooms also if it like bounces a certain way.
Next
like,
up, Brad Berrio. Then Tony Martin's on deck along with Justin Simpson.
Okay, I see a couple of dirt bikes. Is there a dirt bike race?
I don't know.
No, I don't think so. Still might have a good run. Oh, geez, does he ever? Oh,
Whoa, Brad Berrio runs an 11.576. Tony Martin on the Honda 500 from the Tower 41 crew. Tony runs a 13.626. Justin Simpson, you ready, sir? And then we need Jamie James. All right, Justin runs a 24.519. Jamie James, second run.
well, they get through that.
Man, not Namlog down like 8 times.
Because there's two different drivers.
Jamie James, 18.777. So that concludes